Radio Nigeria, uplifting the people and uniting the nation.
The time is 7 o'clock.
The spotlight this morning is on preventing heart disease and improved human health through oil from GMO plants.
This news is streaming live on radionigeria.gov.ng. You can also follow us on Twitter and Instagram at Radio Nigeria HQ and on Facebook at facebook.com/Radio Nigeria Network.
The spotlight is up next. It is on preventing heart disease and improved human health through oil from GMO plants, written by Dr. Rose Gidado.
Omega-3 fatty acids are critical to human health. Among their many benefits, these oils can help preserve eye and brain health, as well as reduce risk of heart disease. The problem is, the human body typically gets omega-3 acids from fish or fish oil supplements, which promotes overfishing and threatens the delicate ecosystems of the world's oceans. Fortunately, crop biotechnology is beginning to take pressure off vulnerable oceans. The ultimate source of omega-3 is the algae that fish consume, not the fish themselves. As a result, scientists can take the relevant genes from algae and insert them into oilseed crops like canola. These genetically modified plants have been approved in Australia and the US for use as food and animal feed, greatly reducing the amount of fish needed to harvest for omega-3 production. According to one estimate, a single hectare of this genetically modified canola could produce the same amount of fatty acid oil that can be extracted from 10,000 1-kilogram fish. According to one estimate, a single hectare of this genetically modified canola could produce the same amount of fatty acid oil that can be extracted from 10,000 1-kilogram fish. Dr. Surinder Sen, a scientist at Australia's Commonwealth Scientific and Industrial Research Organisation, with a geneticist, Kevin Folter, have conducted cutting-edge researches to prove the sustainability and benefits of GM-derived plant oils. While Dr. Sen's laboratory has been working to improve access to omega-3s for nutritional purposes, the researchers also see bioengineered plant oils as a potential green energy source. These plant-derived oils can provide an affordable, sustainable supply of lubricants and greases used in a variety of industries, reducing dependence on petroleum-based oils. People eating ultra-processed foods ate more calories and gained more weight than when they ate a minimally processed diet, according to results from a National Institute of Health study. The difference occurred even though meals provided to the volunteers in both the ultra-processed and minimally processed diets had the same number of calories and macronutrients. The results were published in Cell Metabolism. This small-scale study of 20 adult volunteers conducted by researchers at the NIH's National Institute of Diabetes and Digestive and Kidney Diseases NIDDK is the first randomized controlled trial examining the effects of ultra-processed foods containing ingredients such as hydrogenated oils, high fructose corn syrup, flavoring agents. Is the first randomized controlled trial examining the effects of ultra-processed foods containing ingredients such as hydrogenated oils, high fructose corn syrup, flavoring agents, and emulsifiers. Vegetable-based lubricants have been used for many decades, but they require expensive chemical modifications to make them suitable for use at high temperatures. Advancements in biotechnology now allow scientists to modify plants, including canola, soybean, safflower, and sunflower, to produce naturally stable oils that perform well at high temperatures required by industries. Science is evolving and Nigeria needs to wake up, as already the need to feed her escalating population is at this critical state of urgency with the declaration of nutritional emergency in the northeast of Nigeria by the World Health Organization, WHO. It is predicted that the world's population will reach about 9.6 billion by 2050, with the need to effectively double food production in order to feed every mouth with a balanced diet. With new technological advancements in the agricultural revolution, each farmer will be able to feed 265 people on the same land. But it is so unfortunate that some Nigerian farmers are still left behind and still battling with handheld farming tools such as hoe and cutlass, which is still seeing the Nigerian farmer unable to feed their immediate family, let alone a community. The practices of agriculture in Nigeria require a complete overhauling with the current trends all over the world. At a time when the world is grappling with the outbreak of COVID-19, the quality of food must be considered seriously. If Nigeria must meet up with the food demand of a fast-growing population, biotechnology cannot be overlooked. Tackling food security in Nigeria needs a multi-combinatorial approach that will reshape the Nigerian farming system. Such approach must certainly include genetic modification technology, gene drive and gene editing technology, or just basically called modern biotechnology tools.
That spotlight on preventing heart disease and improving human health through oil from GMO plants was written by Dr. Rose Gidado.
Thank you for your time.